Come on, focus. Stupid camera.
The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Iroquois County in east central Illinois, western Jasper County in northwest Indiana, southern Lake County in northwest Indiana, Newton County in northwest Indiana, southwestern Porter County in northwest Indiana, until 9:45 p.m. At 8:36 p.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a line of severe thunderstorms capable of producing quarter-size hail and damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. These storms were located along a line extending from there to Lake Village to 7 miles south of St. Anne to 7 miles northeast of Piper City and moving east to 10 miles per hour. Severe thunderstorms will be near Forest City around 8:55 p.m., Ennis around 9 o'clock p.m., Pembroke around 9:05 p.m., DeMotte around 9:10 p.m., Fair Oaks around 9:15 p.m., Morocco around 9:25 p.m., Beaver City, Surrey, Watseka and Brook around 9:45 p.m. The following locations may also be impacted: US 41 Dragway. Severe thunderstorms produce damaging wind in excess of 60 miles per hour, large hail, deadly lightning, and very heavy rain. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of your home or business. Heavy rains flood roads quickly, so do not drive into areas where water covers the road. The severe thunderstorm warning.
All right.